There are five places where money hides. Now, if you're the type of individual who's always complaining about not having enough money or the economy is bad, you might want to pay attention. You see, one of the first few places that money hides is inside people. Money hides in people. What does that mean? Every single person that you come in contact with has some type of money in their pocket. Everybody. Some may have more than others, but everyone has money. The question is, what value can you provide to people in exchange for their money? Because that is the only way you make money, by exchanging value for money. So you have to start thinking, what can you do for other people in exchange for money? That is why I said that money hides inside people. The second thing you must understand is that money hides inside skills and talents. Every single person on this planet was born with a gift. There is something you know how to do than most people, right? But you have to figure out, how can I turn this skill or this talent into something that I cannot exchange for money? All right. For example, my skill is communication. So what do? I take my knowledge on finance and merge it with communication, and then use it, to project value to other people. And in return, I get compensated. So you have something that you can offer in exchange for money as well. The third thing is that money hides inside problems. See, poor people complain about problems. Successful people find solutions to solve the problems. So wherever you see people constantly talking about a whole lot of problems, know that their money is hiding in those problems. You now got to start thinking outside the box to figure out, what solution can I provide to the problems? That is how you start to create wealth, by becoming a solution provider. The fourth thing is that money hides inside products and services. Every single day that you wake up, you're using somebody's product and you're using somebody's service. And every time you use the product or service, somebody else is getting paid. So question, what product can you put out there in the marketplace? What service can you offer to people in exchange for money? See, there are books that I've written years ago. There are courses that I put together years ago that are still making money today. Why? I simply put what I know in the form of a product and a service, and I put it out there that people can buy. And every time they buy, I make money. You can do the same thing too, but you got to figure out, what value can you put together in the form of a product or service to add value to others. And the last thing is that money hides inside ideas. Everything that you see today was first an idea in somebody's mind. And I always tell people this: you are one idea away from changing your life forever. All right. The problem is, people get all these ideas, they sit on it, and they don't take action. But if you decide to start taking action on your ideas, just one, I promise you, in the next 12 to 24 months, your financial trajectory can be completely different.